Shark in the Dark. Down at the bottom of the deep, dark sea, something is stirring, and it wants its tea. His teeth are like knives, and his eyes small and beady. He's big, and he's mean, and he's terribly greedy. Watch out, little fishes. Watch out for the shark. Watch out for the great hungry shark in the dark. The flounders were floundering. Here comes the shark! The turtles were terrified. Here comes the shark! Oh, help! Moaned the mackerel. The shark's on his way! We don't want to be in his belly today! And all of the fishes were flustered and bumbling. Here comes the shark, and his tummy's rumbling! Now, fish, smiled the shark. It's been ages since lunch. I just want a wee fishy something to munch. Just the tiniest, tastiest, fishiest snack. So please, grinned the shark in the dark. Hey, come back! No way, cried the crabs. We don't mean to sound selfish, but inside a shark is no place for a shellfish. That's right, cried the cod. We don't want to be tea. Please go back, Mr. Shark, to the dark of the sea. Oh, I will, sneered the shark, when I've had a few shoals for my tea, or fresh lobsters, perhaps, or some soles. And he opened his jaws, and his laughter was manic, and put all the fish in a terrible panic. Away swam the fish, all desperate to hide, far from the shark with his jaws open wide. Hello, said a squid. What's going on here? What's all this fussing? What is there to fear? Help, flapped the fish. We're afraid of the shark. The big greedy shark who lives down in the dark. He's coming to eat us. He's coming right now. How can we keep him away? Tell us how. I see, frowned the squid. So the shark thinks it's clever to push you around 'cause he's bigger than you. Well, I've got a plan which will make sure he never swims this way again. Now, here's what we'll do. So along swam the shark, and he peered all around with his mean, beady eyes, but no fish could be found. That's funny, he grumbled. Where have they all gone? They can't all have vanished like that, everyone. And then, in the distance, he saw a dim shape. Aha, thought the shark. This small fish won't escape. But the closer that fish got, the bigger it grew. And it grew, and it grew into something he knew. The shadowy head, and the shadowy tail, and the gigantic wide-open jaws of a whale! Hey, shark, boomed the whale. Come right here, little fish. I'm peckish. You're small, but you'll do for a dish. I've come a long way. I need food in my tummy. A dinner of shark sounds delicious and scrummy. With a shiver and a shudder, the shark wailed, "Oh, heck! There's no way that I'm going to swim down your neck!" And then with a flick and a flash of his fin, the shark shouted, "Bye!" with a half-hearted grin. And back to the dock fled the shark in a fright, as the whale swam slowly out into the light. "You see," laughed the squid, "when we all got together, we taught him a thing he'll remember forever."